Very good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is notice writing. A notice writing is a short composition meant to formally communicate a piece of information about some event or happening to a group of people to whom it may concern. So, it is a formal information that has certain guidelines that need to be followed. First of all, a notice writing should be written in a box. Secondly, in the notice writing, it is very important to write the name of the organization in which the notice has been written in the very first line, and that too in block letters, and then it is followed by notice, that too in block letters or capital letters. After writing this, it is then followed by date, and which is also having a particular format to write. After writing the date, it is important to mention whether you are writing a notice of lost or found or any other kind of information. Then next, the information provided in a notice include all the relevant details. It is very important that a notice should include all the relevant details of the thing mentioned. Then next, the name and designation of the issuing authority should be mentioned at the end of the notice, and that too in a box. Now, after knowing that what is notice, we will see an example of notice writing over here, that how we can write a notice writing. Fine. For this, first of all, we have to draw a box over here for writing the notice. So this is according to the format. Second thing is, we will write the name of the organization in the very first line, because the name of the organization is to be mentioned in the very first line, and that too in the capital letter only. At present, like you are in Army Public School, so we will be writing over here Army Public School Bhidiwadi. In capital letter only. After this, we will be writing in the second line a notice in the capital letter, because we need to tell that this is a notice. Now, if we have written a notice writing on the top, why we have written a notice over here? Because, dear friends, this is a notice, and when you will put it on a notice board, like for example, if you are in a school, you are writing a notice to put it up on the notice board in the school, right? So at that time, what you will be doing, you will putting up this piece of paper on the notice board for the information. So it is not in your copies at that time, it is a notice for all the people, right? So you need to mention over here that this is a notice, okay? Then the next step is adding a date to it. So what is the format of writing the date is? See very carefully. A date is to be written in this format, like it's 5th May, the name of the month, and then a comma over here, and then the year. So this is the format of writing the date. Then it is important to write the date, because the person should know that on which date the notice has been put up on the notice board. Fine. Then after writing it, you are writing a notice for which purpose? Have you found something, or you have lost something? So accordingly, you will put it up in the bold letters that what you are putting this notice for. Say in case we are putting this notice for a lost case. So we will write over here in the capital letters lost, then an exclamation mark, lost, then an exclamation mark, and again lost and an exclamation mark. So the person who is standing far also get catched with these words and is focused on that something has been lost, and the person will read your notice. Fine. Then after doing this, the next step, these 4 steps you have to keep in mind, and after these steps your information starts. Now the first line for the information can be, it is for the information of all, because you are trying to inform all the people in the school, right? So what you will write, it is for the information of all. That I have lost my, say you have lost your lunch box over here. Okay, now you might be remembering that I have told you to write the complete information, the complete relevant information about the product. Like if you have lost a box over here, what color was your box of, like which company was your box of, and if any specific thing you can remember of that, like it is having a spoon on its lid. So you can mention that details too, that is you really feel is important, and the other person will is eye catchy to the other person and will come to know if he or she just come to know about this information of yours. Okay, so I have lost my lunch box. It is of, say, red color and of Milton Company. Okay. Now the next thing is, when you have told about the whereabouts of the thing that has been lost, the next thing comes is to tell the person that where that person can return this thing to you, where you will be found. So you, according to your convenience, you can tell the person if you want that person to come to your classroom, or if you want that the person should come meet you after the school hours near the school gate, you can mention over here, please contact me near my school. Or if you want that the person should contact you after the school hour, you can also mention your phone number over here. In case we are mentioning over here that the person should contact you in your class, so I will be writing over here, please contact me in my class. Now after this, you have to give your information over here, like what is your name, from which class you are, and what is your roll number, so that the person can contact you. So here you will write name, say Rohit, then class, say 5th A, then roll number, say 15. Okay, so in this way you can write a precise notice writing giving all the relevant details in it. So even you can write a line over here if you want that the thing is precious to you and you want to reward the other person. You can also write over here a suitable reward will be given to you. Okay, so in this way you can just beautify your notice. You have to give the relevant details to it, and the things that are important I told you. The name of the organization should be in the capital, the notice should be in the capital, then the date should be in this format, first the date, then the month, and then a comma and the year. Then the next thing is, if you have lost something and notice is about loss, then you will write lost, lost, lost. In the same way, if you have found something and you want to tell others about that, you can write over here found, found, found. Okay, now the next line from which you can start a notice is, it is for the information of all. That then further, that what you have lost, you will mention the thing over here and the details of that thing, and then you can tell that where that person can meet you, and in the end you have to give your details. In the similar way, if a notice of other things come, like you have lost your storybook or something else, or something thing that is very important to you, right, like your wristwatch or any your earring or any girl's earring or purse or anything like that. So you can write in this way, in this format, a notice and put it on the notice board. So I think it would be helpful to you. Thank you so much, dear students.